completed his doctorate of philosophy in mathematics at Veltech University. He has attended many national and international level conferences, workshops and seminars. He had wrote about 20 journals. And now it's time to invite our HOD, Mr. R. Prabhu, to honor our chief guest with a bouquet.
There are two concepts, I think DSD. Okay, DSD and probability engineering theory is a degree topic campus. Okay, so first probability engineering theory. What is the meaning of first unit is a random variable, then second unit is a two-dimensional random variable, then third unit is a random process, then fourth and fifth is a queuing model and queue network. Okay, so the last two units is entirely different. Last two units entirely different. Queuing model and queue network is entirely different. First unit and the second unit is we have a one chain. That is first unit is only for a one-dimensional case. The second unit is two-dimensional case. Extension of the first unit. Okay. First, what is the meaning of random variable? What is the meaning of random variable? You know the concept of random variable means the entire unit is over. Random variable. I think the simplest example of probability means tossing a coin. எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும் ப்ராபபிலிட்டி அப்படின்னா டாஸ் a coin இல்லைன்னா ஒரு கோடுக்குள்ள வந்து 4 பாலை போட்டு 5 பாலை போட்டு ரெட் பாலை சூஸ் பண்றது பிளாக் பாலை சூஸ் பண்றது இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம சின்ன வயசுல படிச்சிருக்கோம். Okay, so now only you are going to study what is the meaning of random variable. Random variable. Okay, it's simple. First, it is a sample space. Yes. Okay, sample space. Yes. So, what is the meaning of sample space? Yes means collection of possible outcomes. Collection of possible outcomes. Okay. For example, நம்ம ஒரு coin இருக்கு, toss பண்றோம். What are the possibilities of getting it? What are the possible outcomes are there? Only two. One வந்து head. Another one is what? Tail. So that is collection of possible outcome is what means sample space. Okay. You can display the sample space, yes? நம்மளால display பண்ண முடியாத sample. Ignore this diagram. Only imagination மட்டும்தான். sample space இருந்தா ரெண்டு outcome கிடைக்கும். அதாவது tailம் headம் அதோட collection தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும். Only in memory we can assume that. So how to realize that? எப்படி வந்து நாம வந்து ஒரு realize பண்றது? So you want to realize that means we need one variable. We need one variable. That is, for example, let x be getting a head. Getting a head. அதாவது தலை கிடைப்பதற்கான நிகழ்தகவு. That is, x getting it means getting a head. Okay. Now, is a real line or is that a real line or okay, you toss a coin, you get what means x of h. X of h, that is let x be the getting a head, that is x of h. First toss la namakku enna achina head kedaichiruchu. So if getting a head means its value is equal to 1. Value is equal to 1. So therefore, what is the value of x of t here? X of t is what? x of t is what? 0. X of t is 0. Okay, now come the definition. The sample space S. Now we represent the sample space S in real line R. Real line R with the help of one variable x. So this x is called random variable. This x is called random variable. Okay. Now this only your first unit. So start with what means random variable x. Okay. So okay. Now this random variable can be classified into two types. The random variable can be classified into two types. Okay. Random variable. So that is there are classified into two types. The first one is a discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. Continuous random variable. Continuous random variable. In first unit, you can classify it into three sections. எப்படி படிச்சு பாஸ் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்னா only these way. சரியா? First discrete random variable அதோட sums. Second continuous random variable அதோட sums. Third one வந்து distributions. Third one is distribution. How the question asked means surely that one question from discrete random variable and another one section from what means distributions. The third one is what means distributions. How they ask the question means that is a discrete random variable question and one from the distribution. The next one is the question asked from continuous random variable means surely they ask the distribution. So distribution is must. Distribution is must. So you want to select the sub distributions. You select the distributions. That surely the questions come only from that means binomial, Poisson, exponential, normal. Okay. So in first unit we have only these three sections. நீங்க பாட்டுக்கு புக் எடுத்து வச்சிட்டு படிச்சீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா வந்து மறந்துடுவீங்க. So first you finish the discrete random variable, then come continuous random variable, then after finishing these two you go to the distributions. Okay. The first discrete distribution, that is a discrete random variable means PMF. We want to know about what means probability mass function. PMF, probability mass function. How to represent means P of x. They represent how means P of x. Okay. So what is mean by probability mass function? Probability mass function என்ன? Probability mass function. Probability mass function. PMF. Probability distribution or probability mass function or probability function. Come on. Good. So that is P of x is probability mass function. When we say that P of x is probability mass function means it satisfies two conditions. That is the first one is all Pi of x value is greater than or equal to 0. All Pi of x value is greater than or equal to 0. The second one is summation over I Pi of x value equal to 1. The total probability value is 1. Okay, first you understand what is the meaning of discrete and what is the meaning of continuous. What is the meaning of discrete and what is the meaning of continuous? Okay, so first I give an example for continuous. Now I think all have smartphones. Yes or no? That all use that smartphone. நம்ம ஸ்மார்ட் போனை வந்து ஒரு 15,000 ரூபாய் 20,000 ரூபாய் ஒரு 30,000 ரூபாய் கொடுத்து இன்னொரு ஆப்பிள் போன் வாங்குறேன். What they do the validity period? Maximum 2 years or 3 years. Okay, ஒரு 2 year 3 year உங்களுக்கு என்ன கொடுக்குறாங்க? வாரண்டி பீரியட் கொடுக்குறாங்க மொபைல் போன். 4 year கொடுக்குறாங்க. வாரண்டி பீரியட் 0 to 4 year. அந்த 4 இயர்ஸ்க்குள்ள நம்ம ஏதாவது உங்க மொபைல் ஃபோன் நம்ம ஸ்மார்ட் ஃபோன் ஏதாச்சும் ரிப்பேர் ஆச்சுன்னா you can replace that. Okay, so what is the lifetime of the smartphones? Lifetime of the smartphone. You fix that some lifetime of the phone. 10 years. Okay, the lifetime of the smartphone is 10 years. So 0 to 10 years is the lifetime of the smartphone. That is 0 to 10 f of x dx. 0 to 10 f of x dx. Now mobile வாங்கி போய் at the second year we have some problem with that mobile. We have some problem in that mobile. Okay, so which year? Second year. Then என்ன பண்றேன்னா you can give that mobile shop and you analyze the problem and replace that. Again come and use the same mobile. Okay, 0 to 2 f of x dx plus again 2 to our total lifetime is 10. So that is 10 into f of x dx. So like this type of functions, this type of that whatever maybe, okay, everything is called what means continuous function. Continuous function. The fan, tube light. So everything come under what means continuous. Okay, for discrete. For what is the example of discrete means? So that everyone know about in a circuit. Switching circuit. Okay, two-way switch. That is, you have two circuits with one switch. Okay, that is two-way circuit. Now, whatever here, first 5 minutes, the current flow through a circuit A. After the second 5 minutes, the current flow through a circuit B. We want to measure that what the resistance and capacitor and everything. Okay, so first 5 minutes 0 to 5 maybe 10 amp. Then 5 to 10 is now this 5 to 10 is what means here it's go to where means the circuit B. Circuit B. That is maybe it's 5 amp. The next that is 5th minute. Now 10. That is here 10. The next one 15. Here what value means 20. So this one is discrete because depends on the switch where appears circuit A or circuit B. The current flow is switching to A and B. So it's a full and component what means discrete. Okay. Or that what that means you have a dice. You throw the dice means that also come what means discrete. You have a ball. Okay. So that you can choose that ball from any bag. That's what means discrete. That is sometimes you go to that jewelry shop. You have a lot of stud or whatever maybe that is the ring or whatever maybe. Okay, so you can choose that means thus come what means that discrete. Okay, so these are what means discrete case. It's a continuous and discrete. Okay, now come under that discrete random variable. So that is when we say that the function p of x is called PM probability mass function means it satisfies two conditions. That is p of x value is greater than or equal to 0. Then summation over I p of x value equal to 1. So that p of x satisfies this condition 2. These two conditions means that function p of x is called discrete random variable. Okay, now that is continuous random variable. Okay, so in your book or in your question paper, that p of x means it's discrete. P of x means it's discrete. F of x means it's continuous. In first unit, you have one problem. That problem is a discrete random variable problem, but most of our students do only for a continuous random variable. Yes. Okay. So, அதாவது இதுல ஒரு சம் இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? p of x ஓட சம் இருக்கு equal to 1/2j 1/2 power j. P of x equal to 1 by 2 power j equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Or sometimes what they give means P of x equal to x, j equal to 1 by 2 power x. For x value equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All students maximum தப்புன்றது is a continuous case போட்டு f of x mention பண்ண போறீங்க. So it's full and full what means discrete. Okay, that continuous random variable. So f of x, when we say the function f of x is called continuous random variable, so that is a probability distribution function, PDF, probability distribution function. A function f of x is called PDF. When we say that f of x is PDF means it also satisfies two conditions. So that first one is all f of x values are greater than or equal to 0. All f of x values are greater than or equal to 0. Then second one, integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx value equal to 1. Minus into plus infinity f of x dx value equal to 1. So these two is important functions, distribution functions. Apart from we have another one, that is CDF, cumulative distribution function. Cumulative distribution function. Okay, then I know that I think all know about what is the meaning of cumulative distribution function. Cumulative. That is you are in second year na. So what is your cumulative CGPA? I think all know about CGPA, cumulative CGPA. Yes or no? The same come here also the concept. Okay. For example, consider the student X. Consider the student X. Okay, he joined the college after 12th. It's the end of the first year. It's the end of the second year. It's the end of the third year. It's the end of the fourth year. Okay. Now, the students X stand on where means in between second to third year. Okay, in between second to third year. That is, he finished the second year and he entered to the what means third year. Okay, so the student X stand where means here. Okay, in first year 0 to 1 in this interval, first year, in the time of first year, he have a 2 year. Then second year, that is first to second year. In the second year, he have a 4 year. Okay, 4 year. Now he is in third year. At the end of third year, the students X, how many areas we have? 6 areas. That is a cumulative. That is a cumulative distribution function. Okay, that is the cumulative distribution function CDF. That is, this can be represented capital F of x. Capital F of x equal to P of x less than or equal to x. P of x less than or equal to x. Okay, so here how to represent this value means, for example, now that 0 less than x less than 2. 0 less than x less than 2. So how to find this f of x means equal to integral 0 to x. Don't put 2. If you put 2 here means you never get the answer. In cumulative distribution function, where means the x stand on 0 to 2. The x stand on 0 to 2. That is, let x be a student. The student stand on second to third year. In between third year. Third to fourth year. Okay. So therefore here you put 0 to x. F of x dx. Don't put the limit x value 0 to here. Normally you find P of x value. Suppose here P of x value, P of x less than or equal to 1 means it's okay. That is how to find means the integral 0 to 1 because the probability value is 1 f of x dx. But in finding cumulative distribution function f of x, you want to put only 0 to s f of x dx. Maximum you tap பண்ணுவீங்க. Okay. Okay. Sometimes the given question is a cumulative distribution function capital F of x. உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஃபங்க்ஷன் எதுல கொடுத்துருவாங்கன்னா capital F of x ல கொடுத்துருவாங்க. How to convert a normal F of x? The given is capital F of x. The given is capital F of x. The given function is cumulative distribution function. Find a mean, variance, standard deviation of the function small f of x. We can't find mean, variance, standard deviation directly from cumulative capital F of x. If you know the small f of x means you can find what? Mean, variance and standard deviation and everything. But the given is capital F of x. How to find? Question முடிச்சிட்டாங்கல? Then yeah, good. Differentiation. That is small f of x. The given is capital F of x means how to find small f of x means small f of x equal to d by dx of capital F of x minus varma varada. Okay. So this one is a very important concept in this unit. Okay. So you know this thing in this first unit means the first part of the first unit is over. The first part of the first unit is over. Okay. Now come to that discrete random variable. So the given is pi of x. So you want to find mean, variance and standard deviation. Mean, variance and standard deviation. Okay. So now mean or average or expectation. Mean, average or expectation. How do it represent means E of x? Okay, E of x. Here you have two concepts. Mean, average, expectation. That is both are same meaning. Or otherwise moment generating function is one thing here. Moment generating function. First you learn that mean, how to find a mean from given f of x. Or otherwise you can derive mean, variance and standard deviation directly from MGF, moment generating function. Okay, so that is for discrete case, discrete random variable E of x equal to summation over I xi pi of x is the formula. Xi pi of x, that is E of x, expectation E of x equal to summation I pi of x. So how to remember this type of formula means that all, I think all have a max note, separate max note. In first page, on the other page that's I think all give only blank page. All editing, first unit என்ன formula இருக்கு, expectation என்ன formula, discrete க்கு, continuous க்கு என்ன, note open பண்ணும்போது அந்த formula ஞாபகம் வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு படிச்சது அப்படியே ஞாபகம் மறக்காது. Okay, so that is E of x equal to summation I xi pi of x. This called what means E of x or mean. Okay, now we need to find what means the variance. We need to find what means variance. So before finding variance, we need E of x square. E of x square equal to summation I xi square pi of x. Xi square pi of x. Therefore, variance of x equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Variance oda physical meaning enna? Ipo mean, average kontam. Yeah, mean average. Adha meaning. Okay. So in the class la vandu pathina property and transform and partial differential equation la vandu all pass. Okay, we consider all pass. So but எல்லாருமே வந்து சென்டர் மார்க் எடுக்கல, எல்லாருமே 80 எடுக்கல, எல்லாருமே 90 எடுக்கல. So what is the average mark of this class? What is the average mark of? அதாவது ஒரு கிளாஸ் கண்டிப்பா average mark இருக்கு இல்லையா? So that is the mean. பொதுவா பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு average mark பார்க்கும்போது that is called what means mean. Okay, what is the meaning of variance? அப்ப mean அதுனா variance என்ன? Overall, you know this concept means that everything is equal. Then the concept proves that variance is here. Mean difference? Difference. That is what is the concept of variance means? It's fully based on mean. Average is not control. இல்லையா? So வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா கந்தன் அப்படின்னு ஒரு பையன் இருக்கான்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இப்போ அவனோட மார்க் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 78. அந்த கிளாஸோட ஆவரேஜ் மார்க் வந்து 50. அந்த 50 இருந்து கந்தன் எவ்வளவு டிஃபரண்ட் ஆயிருக்கா? எவ்வளவு வேரி ஆயிருக்கு? So that purpose we need what means variance. Okay, that purpose. How to measure that? How to measure that individual student's mark from that average mark? So that is called what means variance. That is E of x square minus E of x the whole square. That is variance. Okay. So now standard deviation means you know there is standard deviation equal to square root of variance of x. Square root of variance of x. Okay, so this only in the discrete random variable. The same reflect in back means continuous random variable. Okay, same reflect back means continuous random variable. That is E of x equal to integral minus into plus infinity f of x dx. E of x equal to integral minus into plus infinity f of x dx. So E of x square equal to integral minus into plus infinity, sorry, x f of x dx. X square f of x dx. X square f of x dx. So therefore variance of x equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. E of x the whole square. So standard deviation means the same. Standard deviation means same. Okay. So here discrete random variable, how to give the problem in they directly given by an table values. There is xi value, p of x value. They given x1, x2, x3 up to n xn. So here they given a p of x1, p of x2, p of x3 up to given a p of xn. Okay, so how to give that discrete random variable means they are giving by only a table decision value. From this table decision value, you can analysis how to find E of x value, E of x square and everything value and the probability values. Okay, here what the problem arising means is a discrete random variable. We need to find probability of, I think one important submit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 7. So 0, A, then again 2A, what sum is there? It's an important sum. They have 7 subdivision questions. Okay, so in that question we need to find the P of x less than 2 conditional 2 less than x less than 4 conditional x less than 2. How to find this? The given data value is what means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to find this? Probability of 2 less than x less than 4 conditional, probability of x less than 2. Huh? Conditional probability. Conditional probability. P of A conditional B. What is the formula for P of A conditional B? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Okay. So now what the value? P of A value, that is P of A value is 2 less than x less than. Okay, A value is P of, first write this, 2 less than x less than 4 intersection x less than 2 divided by P of x less than 2. So how to find this intersection means don't confuse. Simply draw one line. What's the given range? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. First what? 2 to x value is what? 2 to 4. X value is 2 to 4. Now come to the x value is less than 2. So less than 2 means 0. Okay. So what do I mean? He put less than 3. Less than 3. Less than 3 means up to 0. Okay. Now what is the common area of these two? 2 to 3. Therefore, that is how to write it means P of 2 less than x less than 3 divided by P of x less than 3. So 2 less than x less than 3 means maybe here there is no value here also, 0 only. Okay, divided by P of x less than 3 means 0, 1, 2. That's all. So that all made mistake here only. All made mistake here only. Okay. So how to find the conditional probability means for discrete case you can draw a line and find it. Okay. Okay. So another one they give another one some condition value. Some condition value. What value means? P of x less than or equal to k less than 1 by 2. P of x less than or equal to k less than 1 by 2. Find the value of k. It's a given inequality. It's a given inequality. So what the value means? For what value of k we getting the probability value is less than 1 by 2. For what value of k? Now k ki endha value substitute panna 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. And the 0 to 7 kulla k ki endha value substitute panna now probability value less than 1 by 2 of it. Okay, first put k equal to 0. Find the value. K equal to 1. Satisfy other parameter. K equal to 2. K equal to 3. Yenda k value when the condition satisfy that's the value of k. K, that is k equal to 0. Substitute k equal to 1. K equal to 2. For k equal to 0, this condition satisfy means therefore k value equal to 0. So this one is important one in this first chapter. Okay. Okay. Another one important in this function, f of x is given like this: e to the power minus of absolute of x. E to the power minus of absolute of x. Find the value of k, or they give some probability. Find the probability value of p of x less than or equal to 2, and find the coded distribution function. Okay, k into absolute of x. K into absolute of x. So x range is minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Minus infinity less than x less than infinity. So how to find, how to split the, or how to integrate e power minus k of absolute of x. Find the value of k. How to find the value of k? How to find the value of k? We know only one. The total probability value is what? 1. So total probability value is what means minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. Okay, from this only we can find the value of k. Okay, so that is minus into plus infinity k e power minus absolute of x dx equal to 1. There is no formula for iteration of e power absolute of x. நம்ம e power absolute of x க்கு வந்து டைரக்ட் ஃபார்முலா கிடையாது. சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணனுமா? சேம் ப்ராப்ளம் டிபிடி கெஸ்ட் கொடுக்கும்போது நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Same problem, the same situation that I explained in last guest lecture. There is no direct formula to find e to the power minus absolute of x. So how to find? Huh? Smart plus minus. Split பண்ணனும். Good. Split பண்ணனும். How to split it? Minus infinity to 0. Yeah, good. That is. What is our limit? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. So here 0. Here 0. Minus infinity to 0. That here all the x are negative. All the x are what means minus x. So 0 to infinity, all the x are what means positive x. Now come f of x equal to k e power minus, here all the x are what? Negative, minus x. So here therefore what the value means k e power x. So here all the f of x equal to e power minus of x. Therefore k e power what the value? Minus x. So this sum is a very important sum for this unit. This is also very important from this unit. Okay. So in discrete means how they ask means find a value of minus infinity k e power absolute of x dx. Find a value of k. Then find a mean, variance, like that they ask you one question. Maximum 2 more question means find a value of k. 2 more question always we expect from this unit. Find a value of k and another one what is the mean and variance of Poisson distribution. Mean and variance of Poisson distribution, write a chord distribution of Poisson distribution and everything from the 2 more question. Okay, another one is here they are asking variance of ax plus b. Variance of ax plus b. Okay, the same expectation of, that is expectation of ax plus b. Expectation of ax plus b. Some data is given. Some data is given. So we need to find that a into e of x plus e of b value is b. E of b value is b. So here variance of ax plus b means what is the variance of ax plus b? A into variance of x plus b. Huh? Variance of b value is what? 0. Then how come that this one? A square into variance of x plus 0. A square into variance of x plus 0. Okay, these two properties is also important here. Okay, now that another one important means it's not important, but if you touch a little bit, expectation about origin, about mean. Okay, so that is this all come under what means origin. That is xi minus 0. That's the meaning. Xi minus 0. So about mean means xi minus x bar. That is mean about origin and mean about expectation. So you don't confuse. So this everything come under what means mean about origin, because summation xi minus 0 of pi of x. So what you get means summation xi pi of x. Okay, suppose our mean is about some point mu means summation over I xi minus x mu, or mean mu into pi of x, like this. Okay, that is moment about origin, moment about the mean. Okay, not expectation, moment about moment. This means this. So this is another one important, but you don't confuse that. They are not never ask question from this moment about origin and everything. Okay, they ask only from moment generating function MGF. Moment generating function. Only these three concepts in the first section. Mean, variance, but you don't confuse. It have a large part. First unit is large. ரொம்ப பெருசு. அதாவது discrete இருக்கு, continuous இருக்கு. அதோட single mean இருக்கு, variance இருக்கு, standard deviation இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? அதுல a வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதெல்லாம் இருக்கு. அதே போல continuous case வந்தீங்கன்னா என்னன்னா k வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், mean கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், variance கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So this part போக அதுக்கு அடுத்து moment generating function வருது. சரிங்களா? So how that's what is the physical representation of moment generating function? Moment generating function என்ன variance தான் சொன்னோம். அது ஒரு கிளாஸ் பையனோட individual variance எவ்வளவு ஆகுது, average இது. அதே மாதிரி moment generating function means what? Moment generating function. Otherwise characteristic function. Characteristic function. Various time. That's you know that moment generating function, how to define that? E power tx f of x. கரெக்ட்டா? அந்த e power tx க்கு ஒரு கர்வ் பிளாட் பண்ணுங்க. You can know that e power tx பிளாட் எப்படி இருக்கும்? கர்வ் பிளாட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா e power minus tx னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? e power tx எப்படி இருக்கும்? growth மேல போமா, e power tx growth மேல போமா. So that is we need to find the group of data or group of எந்த function இருந்தாலும் rate function, growth rate, how to analysis the growth or not growth, decay or growth, ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனோட டிகேவா இல்ல growth அப்படிங்கற ஒரு கேரக்டரை வந்து அனாலிசிஸ் பண்றது தான் என்னன்னா we introduce the moment generating function. So that is mx of t. Okay, mx of t. In case discrete means, how to define means summation over e power tx p of x. Summation over e power tx pi of x. So this called what means discrete case moment generating function. Discrete case moment generating function. Okay. The next one is what means continuous case moment generating function. So mx of t. Mx of t equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power dx f of x dx, minus into plus infinity e power dx f of x dx. Okay, so once you come or you know the moment generating function means sometimes in your question they asking find mean, variance, standard deviation, moment generating function. Okay, some f of x is given. Once you derive the moment generating function for the given function means from that you can derive the mean and variance, standard deviation and everything. You know mx of t means mean equal to mu1 dash equal to mx dash of 0. Mx dash of 0. So that's a mean. Okay, so variance means that is you want to find mu2 dash. Okay, mu2 dash means mx double dash of 0. Therefore variance of x equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash the square. Mu2 dash minus mu1 dash the square. So we can derive the mean, variance and standard deviation from moment genetic function also. In that moment genetic function, we have three problems. Book important problem only three problems is there. One is triangular problem, triangular distribution problem. 2, 0 less than x less than 1, 2 minus x, 1 less than x less than 2, 0 otherwise. Okay, you want to derive the what that means mean, variance, moment genetic function and standard deviation. One question. And another one question, f of x equal to e to the power, k into e to the power minus absolute of x, I think. But exponential function. Okay, they give only for an exponential function. From that you want to derive what means mean, variance, standard deviation and moment genetic function. Okay, so apart from that, another one function is there, only one sum, different sum. We want to apply gamma function. one particular sum மட்டும் இருக்கும், gamma function define பண்ணியிருக்கும். அதாவது I think x power r e power dx x power r d r I think f of x equal to x power r x power n. You verify your books, maybe biology book or Swaram's book. What book we use? I'll use biology. Okay, no problem. That you define that one function is given here. X power r or x power n, I don't know clearly. Okay, that one is entirely different sum from this unit. சரிங்களா? அதாவது இங்க UV மெத்தட் போட்டீங்கன்னா அப்படியே ஆகாது. இங்க UV மெத்தட் போட்டீங்கன்னா அப்படியே ஆகாது. You put u equal to x power r, u dash equal to r into x power r minus 1, u double dash equal to r into r minus 1 into x power r minus 2, u triple dash equal to r into r minus 1 r minus 2 x power r minus 3. போயிட்டே இருக்கும். e power dx integrated v1 equal to e power dx by d, v2 equal to e power dx by d square, v3 equal to e power dx by d cube. So both are going up in a continuous. So there is no stop to integration. So this case you want analysis. You know the gamma of n. Gamma of n equal to integral 0 to infinity e power ax x power n minus 1 dx. E power x power n minus 1 dx. Okay, so you apply this concept means you can get the function. That is gamma of r plus 1. And this what means gamma of r plus 1. Mx of t value, this value is what means gamma of r plus 1, you get that. Gamma of r plus 1. So how to write that gamma of r plus 1 means r plus 1 into gamma of r. R plus 1 into gamma of r. Okay, so depending on r equal to 0, r equal to 1, r equal to 2, you can get what the value means for this sum. The book la sum ஒரு important sum இருக்கு. அதோட mean value, variance value ரெண்டுமே 1/2 1/2 வரும். பாத்துங்க. அந்த sum ஒரு important இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? mean ஓட value, variance ஓட value ரெண்டுமே 1/2 1/2 வரும். Okay, this one is different sum from this. Another one is what means pi of x pi of x equal to 1 by 2 power j equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Okay, so 1 by 2 power j equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Find a moment genetic function, mean, variance, probability of x, where x is odd, probability of x is even, probability of x is multiples of 3, probability of x is multiples of 5. சரிங்களா? This one is you can expect that every year இந்த question கண்டிப்பா எல்லா இயர் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay, so you can expect one question from this, but moment genetic function, mean, variance, these three question is printed. So apart from that, p of x equal to multiplicity of 2 or multiplicity of 5 or division of 3, these are depends on questioners. அது எப்படின்னா அவங்க சென்ட்ரல் நம்பர் பட் கம்பல்சரி கொஸ்டின் நாட் only you that suppose you are taking that ME next year means this also the question is important question one எங்க மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்கன்னா that's integral 1 by 2 power x dx so that is 2 power minus x dx போட்டு சப்ஸ்டிட்யூஷன் மெத்தட் ஓட சொல்யூஷன் பண்ணுவீங்க but this one is what means discrete case this one is full and full discrete case so this one is important from this so it's the first section of this unit 1 ல ஒரு பாட்டு தான் இருக்கு okay so you keep it in mind continuous random variable discrete random variable that's the definition you leave it after that the table is given you want to find the a value and expectation value and variance value standard deviation value okay one part over so the next come to that continuous means you want to find f of x value cumulative distribution function value or sometimes some d of x value okay so this one is that first the next one is what means momentarity function they are giving momentarity function so the momentarity function also you can derive that what means mean and variance so this one is your first part idha ungoda first unit la irukra first part okay so you expect only one question for you know this means you can attend only in one part of the big mark question I think 16 mark that's 16 mark na so you can attend only in 8 mark or 10 mark you can attend only 8 mark or 10 mark idella theriyuna you can attend only 8 mark 10 mark attend panna mudiyum so you want to know purely ana distribution தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும் தான் you can achieve that full mark from this unit சரிங்களா okay so the next one is distributions before studying the distribution okay நாம என்ன பார்த்தோம்னா f of x ல sometimes f of x equal to how to define means k of x minus 1 pattern maybe okay the p of x equal to p of 1 by 2 power j like that but what is the meaning of distribution mean these also distribution so these also distribution so what is the difference between these and these standard distribution there is no order here இந்த f of x o p of x o டிஃபைன் பண்றதுக்கு நமக்கு எந்த ஒரு ஆர்டர் தேவையில்லை எப்படி வேணா இருக்கலாம் but some distribution follow some order அதாவது கிளியரா அதோட p of x னா இப்படி தான் இருக்கும் வேற எதுவே இருக்காது ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பைனாமியல் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் p of x என்ன summation n cx p power x q power n minus x அந்த ஃபார்முலா தான் இருக்கும் வேற p of x வந்து இருக்கவே இருக்காது இல்லையா so that special type of function special distribution function அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறது சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா some standard distributions here also you can classify it into two type that is discrete distribution function continuous distribution function continuous distribution function தெளிவா போங்க you can study only in a binomial distribution exponential distribution from discrete binomial Poisson போதும் எதுக்குன்னா discrete binomial and Poisson is enough continuous case அப்படிங்கும்போது exponential படிச்சுக்கோங்க சரிங்களா exponential படிச்சுக்கோங்க normal படிச்சுக்கோங்க exponential and normal it's enough here binomial Poisson here exponential and normal இந்த ரெண்டு தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும். You can get a mark from this unit. சரிங்களா? Okay. So binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. First, what is the how to get the binomial distribution? First, Bernoulli's triangle தெரிஞ்சிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து binomial distribution easy. Binomial தெரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா then you can know what is the meaning of Poisson. இந்த மூணுக்குமே ஒரு ரிலேஷன் இருக்கு. கண்டிப்பா binomial distribution நடக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்க மேம் உங்க சார் வந்து நடத்திருப்பாரு. What is the meaning of Bernoulli? Bernoulli trial தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? Bernoulli trial. Bernoulli trial தெரியாதா? ஓகே. இப்போ நமக்கு வந்து ஒரு x ஈவென்ட் இருக்கு. சரிங்களா? அதாவது சாரி n ஈவென்ட் இருக்கு. n ஈவென்ட் இருக்கு. For example, I come to that. You are all going to write examination. என்ன போறோம்? Examination எழுதி வந்தாச்சு. Only two possibilities there. What are the possibilities? Pass or fail. That is Bernoulli trial. That is Bernoulli trial. ஒரு ஈவென்ட் மட்டும் எடுத்தா அது Bernoulli trial. காசை காயின் பண்ண என்ன ஆகும்? டாஸ் பண்ணல காயினை வந்து டாஸ் பண்ணா only possibilities ஹெட் விழுகணும் இல்ல டெயில் விழுகணும். அதான் பாசிபிலிட்டி. எக்ஸாம் எழுதினா நமக்கு என்ன ஆகணும்? பாஸ் ஆகணும் இல்ல ஃபெயில் ஆகணும். ரெண்டு தவிர சான்ஸ் வேற கிடையாது. வேற ஏதாச்சும் இருக்கா? கிடையவே கிடையாது. ஸோ ஒன்லி ஒன் ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்துச்சுன்னா தட்ஸ் கால்ட் வாட் மீன்ஸ் பெர்னாலி ட்ரையல். சரிங்களா? பெர்னாலி ட்ரையல். அதே n ஈவெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்துச்சுன்னா தட் இஸ் வாட் மீன்ஸ் பைனாமியல் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன். அதே வந்து n ஈவென்ட்க்கு வந்துச்சுன்னா that is called what means binomial. that is இப்போ நமக்கு வந்து n இருக்கு சரிங்களா? you know that p represented a success, q represented a failure rate. p represented a success, q represented a failure. So therefore in this n event x time is success. சரியா? அதாவது p னா சக்சஸ். இந்த p ங்கிறது பாத்தீங்கன்னா that is success. x time success. டோட்டலா n டைம் ஒரு இது இருக்கு. அதுல வந்து x டைம் நமக்கு வந்து சக்சஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. ரிமைனிங் எவ்வளவு ஃபெயிலியர் இருக்கும்? டோட்டலா n இருக்கா? n ல x சக்சஸ் போயிடுச்சா? ரிமைனிங் n எவ்வளவு ஃபெயிலியர் இருக்கும்? n - x ஃபெயிலியர் இருக்கும். yes or no? So அதாவது என்னன்னா p power x 1 2 3 4 5 up to p. p power x q power n minus x. q power n minus x. So இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு டிஸ்கிரீட் நிறைய ஈவென்ட் போயிட்டே இருக்கு. So என்னன்னா ncx p power x q power n minus x. discrete இதனால ஒவ்வொரு யூனிட் நடக்கும். so n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to n here, x equal to 0 to x equal to 0 to n, x equal to 0 to n, ncx p power x q power n minus x. p q இந்த p q வேல்யூ பாத்தீங்கன்னா p power 1 னா q power 0, p power 0 னா q power 1. This is a Bernoulli trial. It's a Bernoulli trial. Success இருந்தா failure 0 ஆகும். Success 0 னா failure 1 ஆகும். It's a Bernoulli. From this Bernoulli we can apply for an n. So from this you can get what means binomial. What means binomial. Okay, last year கேக்கல, but before that 2 years they are asking find a mean variance standard deviation of binomial distribution. It's an expected question. இது எதிர்பார்க்கக்கூடிய question. சரிங்களா? அதாவது இந்த 4 டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் படிக்கிறீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த பைனாமியலுக்கும் பாய்சானுக்கும் ஷூரா வந்து how to find mean, how to find variance, how to find homogeneity function, how to mean variance எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு அந்த டெரிவேஷன் படிச்சிருப்பேன். It's important. எதுக்கு படிக்கிறீங்களோ இல்லையோ கண்டினியூஸ் கேஸ்ல எக்ஸ்போனன்ஷியல் படிச்சுட்டு போயிருங்க, டிஸ்கிரீட் கேஸ்ல பைனாமியல் படிச்சுட்டு போயிருங்க. டிஸ்கிரீட் கேஸ்ல பைனாமியலுக்கு படிச்சுட்டு போயிருங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ how to find the mean of a first moment generating mean of a binomial distribution. Mean of a binomial distribution. Mean of a binomial distribution. உங்க கிளாஸ்ல எப்படி டெரைவ் பண்ணாங்க? பாலாஜி கொடுக்குற மாதிரியா? பாலாஜி புக் என்ன கொடுப்பாங்க? n - x + x அந்த மாதிரி கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு அந்த மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணா யூஸ் பண்ணீங்க. இல்லைன்னா இல்லை சார் எனக்கு அந்த மாதிரிலாம் படிக்க முடியாது, ஒரு சிம்பிளாக சொல்லித்தாங்க அப்படின்னா ஈஸியான ஒரே ஒரு வே என்னன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மொமெண்ட் ஜெனரேட்டிங் வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். mx of t என்ன பண்ண உங்களுக்கு summation e power tx pa of x, e power tx pa of x. So that is summation e power tx ncx p power x q power n minus x. கரெக்ட்டா? இங்க ரெண்டு சமேஷன் இருக்கும், நான் ஒரே சமேஷனா வந்து என்ன பண்ணேன்னா ஓவர் பண்ணிட்டேன். சரிங்களா? So e power tx ncx p power x q power n minus x. So summation ncx e power dx p power ncx e power dx p power x q power n minus x. I simply rearrange the text. That's all. சரிங்களா? Okay. Now come the summation. இந்த ncx டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ண வேணாம். ncx இங்க வாங்க. இந்த e power t இந்த p பவர் என்ன இருக்கு நமக்கு? x இருக்கு. So therefore e power t into p the power x q power n minus x. E power t the p power x into q power n minus x. இது வரைக்கும் சிம்பிள் தானே? இதுக்கு now binomial expression எடுத்தீங்கன்னா mgf என்ன வரும் அப்படின்னா that is e power t p plus q the power n. இதான் mx of t. சரியா? e power t p plus q the power n. நீங்க வேற எதுவுமே ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க வேண்டாம். e power t p plus q the power n. இதான் mx of t. homogeneity function என்னன்னா இதா சிம்பிள். ஏன்னா இது binomial expansion ஃபார்முலா. ax plus b the whole power n. இப்படி எழுதுவீங்க nc1 binomial expansion ஃபார்முலா ax plus b the whole power n nc1 into 1 by 1 factorial into that எழுதுவீங்களா? The same concept explain e power t p plus q the power n. Once you know mx of t means what? We can find a mean, we can find a variance. That is mx dash of t equal to 0 means what you get? Mean. mx of t. Biology book பாத்தீங்கன்னா they use some lot of split up போட்டுருப்பாங்க. மீன் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன x into pa of x. So x into n minus x plus x போட்டு ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு லிஸ்ட் எழுதிப்பாங்க. சரியா? From this mx of t you can derive it. So that is mx dash of t. mx dash of t. So it is an implicit function. It's an implicit function. So n into e power t p plus q the power n minus 1. So now inside function, so e power t p plus q is a constant, therefore 0. Now put what the value means that t value equal to 0. T value equal to 0. So t equal to 0 means mx dash of 0. mx dash of 0 equal to, that is n into can find that, you can get a mean and variance. Okay. Mx double dash of 0 and everything. In that, you have that you can check this one e power t. Okay. You can check that what is mx of t means, you know that. Okay. Now in the binomial distribution, we have only 3 problem is 3 or 4 problem is important. I think 3 problem is important here. So what are these 3 problem means? First one, you are important to that there is a male baby and female baby. In 800 family, what sum is there? In out of 800 family, okay, find the probability of more than 2 more children in boy children. More than 2 more children is in girl children. Okay, so both boys and girls. So this one is very, very important. You have I think the 4 section in this. Here you want to take V of x equal to 1 by 2. Success rate is 1 by 2. Male baby or female baby. Okay, that baby now the two choices are. So that is 1 by 2. Here the problem எப்படி பண்ணனும் அப்படினா ஒன்னு பாய்ஸ்னா பாய்ஸ் வச்சு போடுங்க எல்லா சமயம். கேர்ள்ஸ்னா கேர்ள்ஸ் வச்சு போடுங்க. அதாவது குழந்தை நீங்க எப்படி கன்சிடர் பண்ணீங்களோ அதுதான். Let x be a probability of birth of boy baby. அப்படினா you can continue the full problem as a boys. Or otherwise you can treat x baby in a girl child means you can treat full and full what means girl. Okay, one is important. The next one is what means that bomb kitting in a bridge. Bomb kitting in a bridge. That one is one important, very, very important one from this. Okay, bomb kitting. This 2 is important. Okay, so this is a binomial. The next come Poisson. What is the difference between binomial and Poisson?
Poisson is the limited case of binomial.
Limited
Case of binomial.
Limited case of binomial. Where was it? NCX P power x Q power n minus x. அதான் சொல்றோம். இந்த ரெண்டு டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சா இது ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் பாய்சன். அந்த சம்ஸையும் நீங்க ஈஸியா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது பாய்சன் குரிய சம்மா இல்ல பைனாமியல் குரிய சம்மான்னு. So both the sums are same. You can approach binomial or Poisson, you can get the same answer. Poisson problemத்துக்கு binomial concept apply பண்ணாலும் same answer தான் கிடைக்கும். But it have a little bit difference. Here NCX P power x Q power n minus x summation x equal to 0 to n. இல்லைங்களா? So this binomial distribution is valid only for a finite number. N take only a finite number. 100, 200, 300 இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குதா? N take only some finite numbers. Suppose your n value is infinite case. So the probability function P of x equal to what the Poisson distribution? E power what is Poisson distribution? E power lambda x e power minus lambda power x by x factorial e power minus lambda power x by x factorial e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. Okay, so here also you can apply the same concept. Don't go by that mean variance கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு பாலாஜி புக்ல பண்ணா கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். மொமெண்ட் ஜெனரேட்டிங் ஃபங்க்ஷன் கண்டுபிடிங்க. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுங்கன்னா as usual mean and variance கண்டுபிடிங்க. very simple-ஆ இருக்கும். சரியா? So in by Poisson distribution mean equal to variance lambda. Mean equal to variance lambda எல்லாமே equal தான். Okay, how to here this given n value is very small. So how to identify the Poisson distribution problem means they are giving some percentage. If 100 pins irukku, the 20% is defective. 100 pins irukku, in that 100, 20 pins are defective. 20% is defective. Therefore 20 divided by what? 100. So P value is that. So this type of case you can apply what problem means Poisson distribution. So this is an identification of the Poisson distribution problem, or either it's a binomial distribution problem. So this is only a way to identify the problem. Otherwise they are directly given by, that is it's following the probability following a Poisson distribution. The mean rate of the driver's accident case lambda value is given. Find the expected value of accident in 2 years, or find the accident value in 5 years. What sum is important there? The twin default sum is important, and another means that the driver accident sum is important in Poisson distribution. Okay, 3 more problem is there. So it's enough. It's enough. I omit one important one, uniform distribution. Okay, I omit one. It's what means a uniform distribution. So y means in third unit you can study the concept of the uniform distribution. Simple. 1 minus that is how to define that means 1 by b minus a. Okay, uniform distribution is what means 1 by b minus a. So you apply the concept in third unit. 1 by b minus a. That's only I omit here. Okay, only these two is important in where means that discrete distribution. Okay, now come to that continuous distribution means first one you give the priority to what means exponential distribution. Exponential distribution. Okay, so what is the exponential distribution? F of x. F of x. Exponential distribution. E power minus lambda, e power minus lambda x, e power minus lambda x, lambda, lambda power x, lambda power x. I think all finished that first unit test. First unit test finished earlier. First unit test finished, second test finished. So what is that x? What here? Theta or lambda? Lambda into e power minus lambda x, or theta into e power minus theta x. Okay, so f of x equal to lambda into e power minus lambda x. Here also you can derive that mean and variance from directly from homogeneity function. Okay, so mx of t means what? Mx of t equal to integral e power dx lambda into e power minus lambda x. So lambda is constant, e power t minus lambda x dx. So therefore you can directly find iteration means you can this full and full constant. This full and full constant. You derive iteration means what you get means lambda divided by t minus lambda into e power t minus lambda x 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. So here you directly substitute infinity means you go infinity. So change the order. That is lambda into integral e power minus of lambda minus dx dx. Now substitute 0 to infinity. E power minus infinity value is what? 0. So suppose you substitute lower limit value means what you get? 0. Start go to infinity. You can get what means the mean of everything. Mx dash of t equal to 0 means mean. Mx double dash of 0. Then find variance and everything. Here you concentrate one important one, memoryless property. Memoryless property is what? Very very important. Okay, so memoryless property of exponential distribution. The nothing. The memoryless property is jump function. Okay, memoryless property is jump function, that's all. You know the conditional function. How to define the conditional? How to define the conditional? We have A conditional B. We have A conditional B. So here what that memoryless property